Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to block someone on your Facebook account. We will also put useful links in the description below. If you have an annoying Facebook friend, you can block them by following the steps in this video. So let's get started. Go to the profile of the person you want to block. Then click the three dots that is on the right side part of the screen. On the three dots menu, you will see Block. Click on Block. A pop-up window will appear stating what will happen if you block the user. To proceed, click on Confirm. And that's how you block someone on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.